What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Ken, Peasy, Eddie?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate everyone, as always. Can you take a look at Tuesday morning? Sure. Let me just finish up with the, intro here. Opening scene. Then we can take a look at Tuesday morning. And anything else you guys want me to look at. Alright. So, today is Monday, August 15th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Alright, and today we're doing the show from Tandytown. Tandytown, let's go. Yep, good way to start the week. I think crypto was actually in the red a little bit. But all major indexes here in the green. Pretty good day today. Not extremely bullish, but pretty bullish. So I will take it. Yeah, great way to start the week. And, I'm not complaining, but I'm not going to lie. It's looking pretty dangerous at this point. We'll look at SPY in a second here. But I'm really not a believer. I think we're going to get rug pulled. And that's not financial advice, but, yeah, this is getting a bit ridiculous. How high we've come in the past, month and a half. What up, Zach? What's up? Getting ridiculous at this point. Bitcoin's price action is way more logical than the equities. Yes, I agree. SPY makes absolutely no sense. What the hell is going on with SPY? We'll look at that in a second. But yeah, Bitcoin is Bitcoin is moving. I don't know if it's moving slower than the SPY, which is crazy that it even would. But yeah, Bitcoin is actually pretty normal, and SPY is just trading like crazy right now. But hey, that's the stock market for you in 2022. Nobody knows what the hell is going to happen. Anything can happen. Good numbers, market tanks. Bad numbers, market goes up. Who knows? But yeah, SPY is getting a bit ridiculous. Love the tie, fam. Sharp. Thank you. Appreciate that. Yeah, I got the purple on purple today. Quite hot, though. Whenever I wear the shirt and tie. But at least it's not 90 degrees outside today. It's only 80, so I shouldn't be sweating like crazy today. But yeah, appreciate that. Had a little time to get set up here today. So I decided to dress up. What up, Tyler? And what up, Tenten?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate everyone, as always. Also, Disney is definitely a short candidate now. All right, we'll check that out also in a second here, once we switch the screen. Switch the scene. All right, so a lot of people in here nice and early. Appreciate everyone. Can already tell it's going to be a pretty good show. And Mondays are usually pretty slow, so yeah. Great starts to the show, and great starts to the week. Hope you guys made some fat tinnies today. All right. So, today shouldn't take too long. I don't have too much stuff to go over. I'm thinking hour and a half to 2 hours today. Hour and a half if we get through everything quickly. Closer to 2 hours if more people come in and chat, which I always welcome. But yeah, I really don't have too much content for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we have quite a few articles. We have 6 articles. 7 actually. I think 7 articles. My bad. 7 articles. Mostly crypto. One about Galaxy Digital and BitGo. One about Akala. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Akala or Akala. AUSD. They got hacked. So we're going to look into that. We got an update about Tornado Cash, which we've covered last week, which is the mixing service for crypto, and they got banned and shut down by the US, and the developers got arrested and all that good stuff. So got an update on that. We'll get to that. What about Econex, which is a I think it's in Hong Kong. It's either Hong Kong or UK. But small crypto exchange in one of those countries. And yeah, we'll get to that. Got some minor news there. We got some news about Binance and Crypto.com expanding their services. And then finally, we have an article about real estate numbers. That's the only non-crypto article we got today. We got some real estate numbers coming out today. So yeah, quite a bit of news to cover here today. So that'll take a little bit. But then after that, all we got is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond for the TA. That has been the hot stock and still is the hot stock today. Major price action, so we'll cover that once again. And then we'll get to the Yolos. And we have quite a few Yolos today, but they are mostly Bed Bath & Beyond stock Yolos. So, nothing too crazy. Not too many options plays, but we did pull out a lot of gain corn. So that should be fun. So yeah, we have quite a few articles and Yolos today. But the TA on Bed Bath & Beyond shouldn't take too long. So yeah, I'm thinking hour and a half to 2 hours. XS looks like a good long at these lows, or we'll check that one out as well. And what up, B-Flam? What's up? Looking sharp today. Yeah, appreciate that.
Hey. What's up?
Yeah, I did, PZ said the same thing. So, yeah, I got the purple on purple today. Had a little bit of time to get set up, so I got dressed up for you guys. And it's not blazing hot outside today, so, I'm not sweating like crazy. So, pretty comfortable today. Usually when I wear the shirt and tie, I'm, like, sweating like crazy. But, alright. And there goes the first siren of the day. That's alright. Alright, guys, so appreciate everyone for being here nice and early. And, let's get started. Let's do it. Damn siren. And before we begin, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright. Boom. Let me adjust that real quick, and let me check YouTube real quick before we get started here. We're at 8 viewers, 7 likes. So we got more viewers than likes. First of all, appreciate everyone for being here. But if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. Okay, what are we looking at? We're looking at Tuesday morning. Disney. SOXS. And SPY, I think. Okay. Cool. Or is TUEM, my bad. Alright. Wow. Big run here today. So nice. Congrats to you on that, Ken. So yeah, it does look bullish right now. It looks like it bottomed out. It's starting to reverse. Mini cup and handle here. So this might come back up to 65 cents in the short term to complete that cup. And longer term, part of an even bigger cup and handle. And gap down here at 415. So, yeah, it looks like it bottomed out and it's starting to reverse. So it looks pretty bullish short and long terms. RSI is currently at 54. So pretty average there. A little bit above average. So yeah, congrats today. And it does look pretty bullish short and long terms. So yeah, I forgot what your cost basis was, but look like you're in pretty good shape here. So congrats to you, Ken. Just have a have a plan. I'm not sure what your plan is, if you're long-term holding or you're quick scalping or what, but yeah, if you're quick scalping, maybe sell around 60. Not financial advice, but long-term hold, this should come back up to like $4. So it looks good. Looks good short and long terms. Congrats today. What else are we looking at? 35 cents, 6K a share. All right, so you're almost break even here. Not quite, but almost break even. Less than 1 cent away. I guess you were break even earlier today. Yeah. So, yeah, congrats to you today. And not quite break even, but almost there. But, yeah, just hold it for a bit longer. Not financial advice, and, you should at least break even, if not make money. All right, we're looking at... What are we looking at? Disney. All right, so Zach says good short candidate now. Yeah, it looks like it. Just be careful, because long term, there's this gap down here at like 175-ish. So, this is Disney. It's not going anywhere. very blue chip value stock. But yeah, short term, 78 RSI. So pretty overbought, pretty overvalued, and the gap up here at 112, 113-ish. 113. Oh, there's also another gap here, I think. Yeah, there's another gap at 128-ish. So maybe it'll come back up there to fill the gap first, 128. But yeah, this should come back down to 113 to fill the gap there. And then run to the upside again. So yes, I agree. Disney does look like a pretty good short right now. Just be very careful. Personally, I don't like shorting, boomer stocks. But Zach seems to be pretty good at that. So yeah. Yeah. So I'd support going short here and covering at 113. So it looks pretty good. Just be careful. But even if it does go bad, you're not going to lose too much money. It's a blue chip value stock. Disney has 3 gaps. Yeah, I see 2. Oh, wait a minute. There's another gap here. Way back down here. All right, I don't know if it's coming back down here, but there's another gap at 90-ish. 92. Yeah, so is this another gap? 100. Yeah, that is another gap. There's another gap at 100. So triple gap up right now. And high RSI. But yeah, there's also like a double gap down. So just be careful. But yeah, triple gap up. So I'm not sure if it's coming back all the way down to 92. But this should come back down to at least 113, maybe 100. But personally, yeah, I think 113 is a good time to cover. Very overbought, very overvalued right now. So good luck to you there, Zach. Yeah, we'll make nice tendies at 112. We'll probably cut there. Yeah, sounds like a plan, dude. Yeah, quick scalp. Get in here, cover at 112. I like it. 112, 113. Sounds like a plan. Good luck to you. And XOXL, or XOSX, my bad. 1010 says semiconductors still have room to run. Yeah, for sure. So this one... So this is inverse semiconductor, right? All right, well, it says looks like a good long at these lows. Yeah, it may not be done selling off just yet. I don't think it bottomed out just yet, but almost there, almost there. RSI is at 36, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but getting there. So, yeah, it's almost at the bottom, I would say. Not just yet, but almost there. Almost a good time to go long. And, yeah, it looks really bullish long term. So I wouldn't go for it just yet, but looks like a good buying opportunity coming up very soon. XOSL should be at 40 now. Shaking my head. What is it at? $22. Not even close. Wow. Yeah, what the hell's up with this? And it's 3x too. Yeah, pretty weird. But eventually it will come back up there in the longer term. But I don't know why it's so low right now. I had to take long position in SOXS just to hedge my effing XOSL position. Guh. Yeah, some wacky weird stuff is going on here. This really should be higher. So that kind of sucks, Zach, but you're doing the right thing. It makes me happy. I'm proud of you guys. A lot of you OGs, I'm seeing the development, the development in, the personal growth, the becoming better investors. So, yes, I like it. Hedging positions, getting into some, actual professional level stuff, not just ape FD YOLO. So, yeah, so that's unfortunate, but I'm glad to see you guys are getting creative in finding ways to, make back your money, and exit your positions. So there's some positives in there. I do see the growth, with your investing, Zach, and just everyone generally. Um, 1010 says he cut SOXL for 150% gain. Damn. Yeah, congrats 1010. That is some massive gains. Wow. Okay. But yeah, I guess it's 3x, so high risk, high reward. About time. Ty, chasing is really the way to lose money? Yeah. No FOMO. No FOMO, guys. Which I've been trying to say on Bed Bath & Beyond, you know, I'm like, all right, guys. I'm not saying it's gonna crash just yet, but it will, and it's a hot potato at this point, so, you know, it's probably not FOMO, not chase, and then, of course, the apes come out. You know, you don't know what you're talking about, blah, 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 and I'm like, all right, you know, do whatever you want. But just, all I'm trying to say is, be smart. And, you know, of course, apes can do whatever they want to do. But yeah, for sure, you know, with experience comes the, with experience, you learn not to FOMO. And not chase. Bed Bath & Beyond, nice run today? Yeah. Pretty crazy. I didn't expect it to keep running. But we'll get to that. We'll do that in the T8 today. Gonna be more or less the same, though. You guys are pretty much already know what I'm going to say, just with the updated numbers here. Yeah, I'm a little red on SOXL. Been averaging down. Figured it was a no-brainer. Yeah, you know, it definitely is a no-brainer, but it may take a little bit of time before you break even and go green there. But you're doing the right thing, Tyler, by averaging down. A little bit risky because it's 3x, but you'll be alright. It'll no doubt come back up eventually. I totally FOMO'd on SDC. Yeah, you guys were talking about that. That's Smile Direct Club, is it? Is it not? I think that's Smile Direct Club, which also is a meme stock. I didn't really see what was going on there today, but you guys were talking about that on Discord. 23% today. Nice. I'm gonna let it ride for a bit. All right. Not sure what your average is, 1010, but it looks like you're up. So, yeah, just be careful at this point. You know, 80 RSI. So, you know, don't be afraid to take profits. I would say just, you know, set stop losses, set sell orders. But it's not that, you know, it's little gamble there, so whatever. But yeah. Not the greatest entry, but it seems like you're up so far, so good luck to you, 1010. Not financial advice, but I'd look to exit pretty soon. Clown on me for not following my gut. Getting me some Bed Bath & Beyond when it was around $4 less than a month ago. Go. Yeah, I mean, I can't blame you. Because if you didn't know it was going to squeeze, yeah, it's not the greatest company, fundamentally. And you know, I do like Bed Bath & Beyond a lot, but let's be real, it's a failing company. So logically, it was a smart thing not to buy it at $4, but, you know, in this market, nothing makes sense. So, yeah, it sucks, missed opportunity. But you really can't be too hard on yourself. You know, no smart money, or very few smart money, bought into Bed Bath & Beyond. You know, that's like just totally ape stuff. So the apes are winning right now. But, you know, it's not going to end well. I can promise you that. I'm with you. XOSL is a no-brainer long-term, even at those levels. Yep, Small Direct Club. Still not much chatter on StockTwits that's coming. Yeah, like I said, it is a meme stock. But it was one of the low-key meme stocks. So, probably just it's having its time now. It's squeezing. But it doesn't have the momentum like, you know, Bed Bath & Beyond. So I don't expect it to short squeeze, just gamma squeeze. But yeah, that one is running right now, so congrats to everyone who made money there. I'm in options for next week, 150 calls, up 50%. So it's already in the money. Is that right? All right, nice, dude. Yeah, fat gains, fat gains. Yeah, congrats, 1010. So, yeah, just have an exit plan. No smart money. Yeah, it never ends well for the apes. Yeah, a few apes make money, but the majority get wrecked, and the new generation of bag holders is going to be born. So we all know how this is going to end with Bed Bath & Beyond. It's not going to end well, but for now, it's pretty entertaining. But yeah, in the end, it's just really sad because the apes lose money. Not rich hedge fund managers. This is like money people can't afford to lose, and they decide to YOLO because Reddit says so. So yeah, I'm just eating my popcorn right now. I know it's not gonna end well, but I'm happy for the apes right now. Anyway, last one, SPY, and then we'll get on with the show today. Get started with the show. See, SPY, RSI 73 right now. Looks like it's topping out at 430-ish. That could be a possible top of the cup, so maybe bearish. Triple gap up. 370, 380, and like 413. Yeah, I don't know. It's looking really, really bearish. I don't really see anything bullish here. Maybe except a bull flag and cup and handle. But, yeah, cup and handle, high RSI, triple gap up. Not looking too bullish. So I'm not complaining, but this is yes, getting very ridiculous. I'm not convinced. Just be careful, guys. Apple was the play in hindsight, less than 5% to all-time high. Give us the clown for not getting into it. Yeah. So, boomer stocks, boring stuff. But, yeah, Apple will always be good. I had Apple at, like, 112. So, like 110-ish. So, yeah, kind of upset I didn't hang on to that. But I didn't think Apple would move that high. It's very safe, but it doesn't typically move like that. But, yeah, Apple is strong right now and always will be strong. But, yeah, clown on everyone for, not going for the boomer stocks. Can't fight the chart. They are buying every effing dip, slow grind up. On what, SPY? Who is they? The hedge funds? The institutions? Yeah. I just have a feeling this is going to be like a coordinated attack. Coordinated short ladder attack. Everyone just rug pull. Retail gets left holding the bag. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But it's looking really bearish right now. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get some massive pullback here. But yeah, logically, this doesn't even really make sense though. How fast it's ripped up to the upside. 1 month. In 1 month, we went from 370 to 430. That is insane. We came back 50% in 1 month. What the hell? That doesn't happen. That does not happen. So, crazy stuff going on right now. This is not natural, guys. Just to let you know. Anyway, so yeah, not complaining, but SPY does look pretty bullish or bearish. Excuse me. All right, onto the watch list. Not going to spend too much time here today on the watch list because we're a little bit behind already. But let's see what's going on. Start on the red side. All right, so the Dow Jones up 0.45%, Nasdaq up 0.75%, and the S&P up 0.4%. So yeah, all around really good day today. Lots of green. Nice. I will take it. Slightly bullish here today. VIX is up 2.15%. Not really sure why. Well, we were slightly in the red before. Yeah, it doesn't really make too much sense though. Usually the VIX goes, red when everything's in the green. But the VIX is still under. Well, it's up 2.15% today, up 0.42 points. So we're at 19.95 VIX now. Still under 20. So we're at a good VIX. But kind of weird why that went up today. Anyway, let's check out the tickers here. Not going to spend too much time. XLE. I forgot about my XLE play oil bouncing bigly. VIX is up because of weirdness in the bond market. That would make sense. Yeah, so you did mention XLE in Discord today at 10:10, so I'm not sure how you're doing there, but sounds like you're up, so congrats so far. All right, we'll start on the red side. So we got TBLT pulling back 11.6%. GOEV down 7.5%. APDN pulling back 7.3%. Yeah, a lot of growth here. There's AERC, INDO. Bunch of EV stuff here. Workhorse, XPeng. Looks like crypto's down today. Crypto stocks. There's Marathon. GME, 2.6%. There's a HYMC. EVFM. Looks like oil's down today. Chevron, Exxon, all the smaller cap stocks. Crypto stocks down. There's Wish, Clover. I don't see much value here. Yeah, looks like China's down as well. AMC down 1%. Yeah, not much happening on the red side. Here's some value at the very bottom. Domino's, Hilton, Kraft Heinz, TD, American Express, GM, Amazon, Dollar General, Bank of America, Netflix. So yeah, it looks like China, oil, crypto are down today. Mostly growth in the red. I don't really see too much value. Yeah, so not much price action on the red side, and mostly growth stocks in the red. Not much value. So, yeah, seems like a really bullish day today. Let's get on to the green side. So yeah, MEGL, Magic Empire. So honorable mention there, Magic Empire. So this one's been squeezing. Brand new IPO for the past week. Remember that went up. Let's look at the chart real quick. This is ridiculous. So yeah, honorable mention. We're not going to cover it today. But look at that. So this went up to 250, pulled all the way back to 8, and today it goes up 115%. Now it's back up to 18. Yeah, 18 in the aftermarket. So crazy price action on this stock. Honorable mention. We're not going to analyze it because there's nothing to analyze. But yeah, guys, you should probably stay far away from this stock. Not financial advice, but crazy stuff happening here. Honorable mention. And then Bed Bath & Beyond, 23.55%, which we will discuss first and only today. HLBZ, honorable mention, that's up 12.6% today. And looks like, and Mullen, also honorable mention, 9% today. That's coming back. 420 doing really good. Canopy Growth up 16%. Tilray. Sundial. Yeah, honorable mention Tesla. Tesla did really good today, 3.1%. That's coming back pretty hard. Disney, 2.3%. Nice day there. Nvidia, 2%. Then down here is more value. Chipotle, Coinbase, Costco, MasterCard. Yeah, down here is just a bunch of value, it seems like. So overall, slightly bullish day. Not much price action today, but seems like most of the value is in the green. Yeah, it seems like value is really holding up the market today, for the most part. Most of the value in the green. Not crazy price action, but most of the value in the green. So that's why the market overall is slightly bullish. So, yeah, I'll take it. So it looks like everyone should have did well today. Apes and Boomers. Apes did really well if you're in Bed Bath & Beyond. But, you know, value did good today, so Boomers doing good. As long as you weren't in a few select meme stocks, should have made money today. Yeah, overall, pretty good, though. Slightly bullish day. I will take it. So, hope you guys made some fat tennies there today. TTOO up 8%, then reported earnings down 8% after hours. Damn. Well, yeah, we did cover that last week, I think. So, I'm assuming that's bad earnings. Yeah, pretty unfortunate. Sorry to the apes there. So, honorable mention, we're not going to cover that again. But yeah, wow, crazy moves. And dollar got stronger as well, contributed to VIX. Dollar and bonds, weirdness, SPY, Dow don't care. They said, let's rip. Yeah, I haven't been paying attention to the dollar lately, but everything else has been going down, the other currencies, so the dollar has been getting stronger. So that would do it too, yeah. And And I don't think the yield curve is inverted anymore, but it was not too long ago. So yeah, some weird stuff happening in the market here. Smart money loaded on puts, in my opinion, that drove VIX today. I think that will eventually break out from that descending triangle pretty soon on the VIX. Yeah, descending triangle slash more like a channel, but yeah, descending channel. I see what you mean here. So yeah, it does look like it wants to break out, which is not good. We'll see though. My nighttime reading is figuring out how the dollar and bonds influence the stock market. It's not as exciting as ape plays, but important in money making over the long term. Yeah. So you're actually studying this stuff. So good for you, 1010. So yeah, long term, that's gonna win it. That'll do it. Boring, but we'll see how many apes are still here in 5-10 years. Reminder that VIX was up 8% pre-market, ended up closing up 2%. Was it up 8% pre-market? That's pretty bad. I didn't see that, but so it was looking really crazy, but ended not too bad here today. For me, DXY up equals SPY down somehow. LMAO. Yeah, contention said that's what's supposed to happen. All right, guys. So there's the stock market for today. Good stuff. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. Let's move on to some crypto now. 1 second here. Got to pull that up. And actually, while we're at it, let me pull up the news. Cool. Give that 1 second to finish loading. And let me check YouTube in the meantime. All right, we're at 9 viewers, 10 likes. So still a lot of people in here. Appreciate everyone. And if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. I'll give you guys the Khaled here in a second once this finishes loading. But yeah, a lot of people in here. I didn't expect today's show to be so many people to come today. Because Mondays are usually slow, but not complaining here. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me today. And if you haven't yet, please smash the like button. Small Direct Club down 5% after hours. Is there a reason, or is that just some healthy pullback? Shorts coming in. To be honest, I don't find it boring. Sure, it's not the short ladder / the moon crazies, but it's how the world economics works. Pretty exciting to learn it. Yeah. You definitely have to have a passion for it though, because to most people it's boring as hell. But yeah, I certainly don't find it boring. I find finance and economics fascinating, and it sounds like you guys do as well for the most part. So yeah, I guess boring's not the right word, but it's old boomer stuff, and nowadays, it's all about the aping. But yeah, the old boomer stuff does work in the long term, and the aping can only work for so long. So yeah, I'm proud of you guys. Like I said, every day we help each other get smarter here in the community. You guys help me get smarter as well. So yeah, we're coming a long way as a community, actually. So it's nice to see you guys, working on your skills, becoming better investors. All right, I think we'll get started here today. All right, let's do crypto. So here's crypto. Well, actually, let me give you guys the Khaled first. Forgot about that. Yep, so appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
Little bit of lag there.
You loyal.
Hope that was okay. Yeah, appreciate everyone for being here. All right, let's get on to crypto. So crypto is down 1.05% today. Not too bad. Slightly bearish. I'll take it. Nothing too crazy going on here. Let's check it out. So Bitcoin down 1%. pushing 24K again. Ether down 1.9%, pushing 1900. Binance down a little bit. Cardano 2% down. XRP down 1.35. Doge pulling back. Doge went crazy over the weekend. Doge and SHIB. I don't even know why, but Doge went up like 8%, and then SHIB went up 25%. I'm like, what the hell's going on here? So yeah, pulling back now. But Doge is down 3.75%. SHIB down 5.8%. Healthy pullback though. But I do see a lot of red here. Price action isn't that crazy, but I do see a lot of red. So yeah, let's sort this out. All right, we'll start on the green side. I don't think there's too many coins in the green. All right, I guess we can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. Yeah, so 11 coins in the green here today. Not much. So we'll call it 90% of the coins in the red, 10% in the green. So not many coins in the green here today. And price action wasn't too crazy. Only coins in the double digits are Chili's, 11%, and then StepN, 10%. And those are growth coins. Biggest value gainer is Leo, 5.7%. And really the only one. Don't see much value here. Yeah, that's the only value coin. So nothing happening on the green side. Not much price action. Not many coins in the green. Not much price action. So it seems like the red side isn't that bad either. Just most of the coins in the red here. Yeah, so onto the red side. So 90% of the coins in the red. But price action really wasn't that bad at all. Biggest loser is Celsius, down 28%. Go figure. I think Celsius is still... I don't even know why that went up so much in the past week. That went up 60% in the past week. I guess people were speculating that Celsius is coming back, but probably not. Anyway, that's down 28%. By far the biggest loser. Only double-digit loss. And then it's SHIB, 6%. And then Uniswap, 17%. Or, excuse me, 5%. So there's a decent amount of value here. Uniswap, number 17. SHIB, number 12. Polygon, Litecoin, Near Protocol. Price action wasn't too bad, though. Nothing over 10% on the red, except for Celsius. Nothing over 6%, actually. So, yeah, seems like most of the coins in the red, and a lot of value in the red. But price action wasn't too crazy, so overall, slightly bearish day. Yeah, I'll take it, because it's a little bit misleading. You would think that the market would be down more than 1.05%. But yeah, I'll take it. So slightly bearish day here in crypto. Kind of sucks, but not too bad. Not too bad. I'll take it. So yeah, slightly bullish day in the stock market, slightly bearish day in here in crypto. So overall, should have been a pretty neutral day. I would say neutral to a bullish day, depending on what you guys are invested in. But yeah, not a bad day at all. I will take it. Pretty decent way to start the week. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies here today. All right, what up, Jalen?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. All right, on to the news. And we're actually doing pretty good on time here. We were behind before, but we caught up. So, yeah, we're doing good on time here. Go and coming, in my opinion, the last time SPY and Dow Jones were overbought RSI 70 was last November. I think we all know what happened afterwards. Oh, boy. Yeah. Yeah, we all lived through that. So, we're not quite at November just yet, but it's not that far away. So, yes. And then all this Fed talk about, well, not the Fed, but a lot of hedge fund managers seem to think that all this rate hiking is going to induce a recession. So we'll see what happens, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not convinced. I think we're due for some mega. I sure hope not, but this doesn't make any sense at all. And it kind of sucks because I'm like starting to get clients for my company, and I really don't want to buy in at 430 SPY, you know. I kind of low key do hope it pulls back. It's kind of selfish, so I can like buy in for my clients at a at a better price. But yeah, I'm not buying in SPY 430. You got to be kidding me. So hopefully a little bit of a pullback. Just a quick rant. All right, guys. So today we got 7 articles. A lot of news here today, mostly crypto. We got one about Galaxy Digital and BitGo. One about what is this? Akala. One about Tornado Cash, which we've been covering. One about EcoNex. One about Binance. One about Crypto.com, and one about the and then the last article is not crypto related. It has to do with the housing numbers, which came out today. All right, so let's do it. Not going to spend too much time here because there's a lot to get through. But let's do it here. LMAO, yeah, waiting for a pullback is the wisest thing. Yeah, but then it just keeps going up to the upside, and I'm like, damn it. Should I FOMO? But up here, no FOMO. But it's getting hard. It's like, why does this keep going up? This is crazy. Am I missing something? But yeah, resist FOMO. I know the deal. Resist FOMO. All right, so let's do it here. First article, and this is pretty big news actually. So Galaxy Digital backpedals on $1.2 billion deal for BitGo acquisition. BitGo to seek $100 million in damages. All right. So I didn't even know that this was a thing. Maybe we did cover this. I'm not exactly sure. But yeah. So Galaxy Digital was going to buy BitGo for $1.2 billion. And now they want out. They're pulling Elon Musk. But it's saying that Galaxy Digital is saying it's because they're not getting the audited financial statements. That's why. Again, kind of like, it seems very Twitter-like. Elon Musk. Oh, you're not giving me the numbers on the bots. And this one, Galaxy Digital. You're not giving us the real audited financial statements. So I'm not going to take sides here because I don't really know what's going on. But it says that, there was an agreement. They're backing out, and they're citing unaudited, or they're citing that they didn't get financial statements, and that's why. So yeah, BitGo is mad, and they're suing for $100 million. So it's probably going to just play out in court. Going to take a couple of months, or even maybe a couple of years. Probably a couple of months, though. So, yeah, that's pretty big news. Massive potential acquisition didn't go through, and now they're beefing. They're going to fight it out in court. So really, I think the people that got hurt the most here are the BitGo investors who thought they were going to get acquired. Probably mad hype, celebrating, and then nope. Psych, and now they're in a legal battle. So, yeah, if any news comes out, if any updates come out, I'll let you guys know. But this is some pretty significant news here. Galaxy Digital canceling their $1.2 billion deal for BitGo. So we'll see what happens in court. All right, next article. Hacker prints 1.2 billion AUSD on Akala network. AUSD depegs after the exploit. All right, so I don't even know what Akala really is. I've heard of it, but AUSD, but never really looked into it. But yeah, so nothing new here. Another hacker exploiting certain projects. So pretty sad. But this is the new normal now. But yeah, it says so that's Polkadot's stablecoin, AUSD. So it depegged. Yeah, so August 14th, yesterday, a hacker minted over 1.2 billion AUSD. But actually, it's pretty unsure. It's pretty unclear what happened because some people are saying it was a hacker, and some people say it was a misconfiguration. But that is a huge misconfiguration. 1.2 billion, printing 1.2 billion coins there. But Akala says it has rectified the misconfiguration and identified the crypto wallets which received the minted tokens. And it says the operations are paused to ensure the attacker did not move out more tokens. Yeah, so was it a hack? Was it a technical difficulty? Who knows? But 1.2 billion AUSD was printed. And it doesn't seem like the hacker was able to withdraw. Or maybe he's just waiting to withdraw. I don't know. So possible hacking / misconfiguration. Who knows? Either way, this is not good. So I hope they figure this out. But they should be okay, you know. This is yeah, Polkadot's coin. So this should be okay. We'll see though. But yeah, so AUSD depegging here, and still unclear what's happening with Polkadot. Still unclear what's happening with the chain on Akala. So pretty big news here. We'll see if there's any updates, and I'll update you guys. But I sure hope it was not a hacker. That's yeah. If anything, I hope it's not a hacker. Because I'm tired of hackers getting away with this stuff. People getting scammed. But yeah, AUSD Akala, pretty big news there. Getting depegged. Or just by SPY as well as put leaps. Like instantaneously. Yeah, that's a good idea too. For sure. But what I'm long-term holding, it is a good strategy, you know, hedging like that. Personally, I don't really like using that strategy, especially when I'm long-term holding for clients. But that may be one way to go about it for sure. But if anything, I'll try to catch it at the bottom. But I may have to end up going that route. Or maybe I'll sell like credit spreads or debit spreads or something on it. I like the spreads better than the you know, the straight up hedging of the long shares. But for sure, that is one way you can go about it. I just don't want to lose money there. Yeah, I'll probably either just wait or go with credit spreads. We'll see. What up, Wilson? And what up, Beelzebub?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. What up? Does anyone think Saga is overrated? Yeah, for sure. And what up, Low Roller? What's up, dude? I haven't seen what it did today, but yeah, that has been going crazy. At this point, I think it's being manipulated. You can't prove it, but that is not natural, the way it's trading. It definitely seems like, you know, like some institutional money keeping the stock up. And they'll probably do an offering or something and just decide to dump it all at once. So yes, I believe it's overrated. We'll check it out here in a second. But something fun is going on over there. All right, got your Low Roller. Got your article. Core guy almost 1K subs. All right, good for him. You know, hope he's able to to supplement his income that way. I'm happy for him. I don't like the content, but happy for the guy. You see Shiba Inu and Dogecoin pumping yesterday? Yeah, Doge went up like, what, 10%? For no reason. Shiba went up 25%. I don't know why. pulling back today. Healthy pullback. But yeah, really no reason as to why those are pumping so hard. Not complaining though, because I'm still bag holding Doge. All right, guys, moving on. So Coin Center says it may challenge Tornado Cash ban in court. So we're not going to read this whole thing. But yeah, last week we covered Tornado Cash, which is a mixing service that got banned by the government, U.S. government. And a lot of the developers got arrested. And I think the Discord, the project is done. They shut it down pretty much. So Coin Center, I don't know who they are. It says non-profit. It's a crypto non-profit. Okay. So they're gonna challenge this in court. They're planning to sue the government, saying that the ban was unconstitutional. So you know, I do agree. I understand why the government banned it. You know, because it was aiding illicit activities, but you can't do that. You can't ban a centralized platform like that. Over a portion of the funds. You know, not all of the funds were used for illicit activities. So I'm glad Coin Center is doing this. But let's be real. The project is done. It's done. The damage has been done. The funds have been frozen / seized. I think just frozen, not seized yet. But they've been frozen. The developers got arrested already. Project is, no one's moderating the Discord. I think it may have got taken down too. So even if they do win this lawsuit, the damage is done. Tornado Cash is done. It'll be more of a symbolic victory more than anything. So yeah, just an update on Tornado Cash. Coin Center is going to sue, going to challenge this, but ultimately in the end, I don't think it's going to matter. All right, let's speed it up here a little bit. So next one, exit stage left, Econex to close crypto exchange after 2 years. Yeah, so this was a Hong Kong exchange, small Hong Kong exchange. Yeah, pretty straightforward there. They're gonna shut down after 2 years and move business to the UK. So I never heard of this exchange, but I'm glad they're taking the honorable route. I'm glad they didn't go bankrupt and they stole everyone's money. I'm glad they didn't exit scam, steal everyone's money and leave. They're closing up shop and refunding everyone their money. And never heard of it, but they're doing things the right way. Integrity here. So I respect Econex. So I don't know what it is, but they're shutting down shop. But I respect to them. All right, next one. Binance obtains in principle approval to operate in Kazakhstan. So also pretty straightforward there. So Binance is in Kazakhstan now, which I think is popular for Bitcoin mining, if I'm not mistaken. And in 2022, they also got approval in France, Bahrain, Spain, and Dubai. So Binance is moving up. Yeah, the institution's just getting bigger. Binance, Crypto.com, FTX, Coinbase, they're just taking over everything now. Definitely like 4 monopolies in the crypto world. And next one, staying on the subject, Canadian regulatory body allows Crypto.com pre-registration for operations in Canada. So yes, Crypto.com is also going to be in Canada now. So like I just said, these monopolies really just taking over the world here, buying all the other smaller exchanges up, getting approval in different countries. So yeah, Binance and Crypto.com making moves here. What you got here? Low roller. All right. Last one for my articles. And then we got some from Low Roller. So this one is not crypto related. Home builders say U.S. is in a housing recession as sentiment turns negative. The National Association of Home Builders / Wells Fargo Housing Market Index dropped 6 points in August to 49. Anything below 50 is considered negative. This marks the 8th straight decline in the index. Tighter monetary policy from the Federal Reserve and persistently elevated construction costs have brought on a housing recession, said NAHB chief economist Robert Dietz. All right, so yeah, I'm not the biggest expert in real estate and housing, and I don't even know what this index is. Home Builders / Wells Fargo Housing Market Index, but yeah, apparently it's negative. And I'm not surprised because, you know, everything else has been going except for real estate. So it's about time that real estate did follow everything else going down, So a little bit of a delay here in real estate, but that is in fact going down as well, finally. So yeah, this may be a good time to buy a house, not financial advice. But, you know, housing has been really strong for the past couple of years, so here is a chance to buy a dip. A dip. It may dip even more, we'll see. But yeah, real estate, not the greatest market to be in right now. Alright, what else you got, low roller? Yeah, so we just covered this. AUSD got depegged. So we'll see what happens there. But that's pretty bad. We don't know if they got hacked or whatever they called it. Misconfiguration. And he got it here for us. I call it dollar. Wow, it went down to 1 cent? Wow! I didn't know it got depegged that much. It said it got depegged, but I didn't know it went to 0. So that's really sick. Thankfully, it's not nearly as bad as Terra, you know. Not many people actually had AUSD. But that's very unfortunate. So, you know, sorry to all the investors that got burned here. Really sucks. I feel for them. But, you know, like I said, at least this was a lot less worse than Terra. But, yeah, some people are definitely getting wrecked here. So I do feel bad. BitConnect song? Sure. It is worse than Terra, since it dropped 98%. No, I think Terra was worse. They're both pretty bad. They both pretty much went to 0. Alright, last one. Ethereum ICO era whale address transfers 145,000 ETH weeks before the merge. Okay, so some people are worried. Some people say it's going to get dumped, and some people say it's going to be for staking. So, who knows? Either really bullish or really bearish. But yeah, whale moving a lot of money here. Yeah, so who knows if this is good or bad, bullish or bearish, just speculation. But yeah, whale's moving a lot of money here, preparing for the merge. So we'll keep an eye on this, on Ether. Terra stablecoin didn't drop 98% in one day. That is true. That is true. It happened over like a week, a few days. But it did eventually go to 0. Is Tornado Cash founder live in USA? I'm not exactly sure, but I know a lot of developers got arrested. So I'm not exactly sure about that. But yeah, if I was affiliated with that project, I'd, you know, be laying low right now. Alright guys, so that is all the articles for today. So doing pretty good on time here. It is now 5 o'clock. So, yeah, right on time. So all we got left is the TA today. And then the Yolos. So, 1 second here. Let me pull up chart here. Yeah, so once again guys, we're gonna do BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. Shouldn't take too long, got my notes right here. Gonna be more or less the same from the other days. And then we'll finish up the Yolos. So let me check YouTube. How many people still in here? 12 viewers, 16 likes. I thought people left. I actually thought people left. But we got more viewers now. 12 viewers, 16 likes. So thank you guys. Great show already.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And yeah, if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. So yeah, we're just gonna do Bed Bath & Beyond here. Shouldn't take too long. Maybe 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Should be like 20 minutes, 20, 30 minutes. And then we'll finish up the Yolos. What do you think? TTOO at 16 cents. Yeah, we'll check that one out in a second here. Was I supposed to look at something else? Did I forget something? I don't think so. So we'll look at TTOO. And if you guys want me to look at anything else, you guys want me to look at charts, anything, put it in the chat right now, and we'll get to that after Bed Bath & Beyond. I heard people sending Tornado Cash in celebrities' crypto address. What? Wait, so people are sending... But I thought it got taken down. Unless they were doing this before. Why are they doing that? Are they trolling celebrities? They're trying to get their addresses shut down or something? Why would people do that? The only reason why you would do that is to troll celebrity, is it not? And I don't even think you could still do it, because it's banned now. Never heard of that. I don't know. So I guess if you want to troll someone, send them Tornado Cash. And get their whole address locked up. We loyal. Absolutely. Absolutely.
You loyal.
So, yeah, appreciate everyone once again. Alright, guys, so, yeah, we're going to do Bed Bath & Beyond here. Shouldn't take too long, maybe 20-30 minutes, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So, yeah, so I said 5, I said 1.5 to 2 hours. Probably going to be closer to 2 hours today. We'll see. Alright, so Bed Bath & Beyond. My apologies in advance, going to be just me talking a lot now. So try not to bore you guys too much. Try to get through this as quick as possible. And then we'll move on to the Yolos. So let me just blow my nose real quick, take a quick drink, and we'll get started on the TA. Gonna mute real quick. And there hasn't been sirens today. Only one siren. So, you know, it's been relatively quiet. So hopefully hopefully here through the TA there's no sirens. We don't have to stop. But it never fails, you know, when we get to the important part. The sirens always come. So I'm kind of expecting it. What up, Punk Skater?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Have you seen MEGL? MEGL up 100% on the day? Yeah, honorable mention, MEGL. And it's up to 20 here in the aftermarket, so still squeezing. So, yeah, this has been trending for the past week. Went 250 all the way down to 8, and now it's back up to 20. So, crazy price action. I give it the go and the money. Of course, see? Fire Shark, see? I told you. At least we're not doing the TA yet. But yeah. I'd stay far away from this stock. Long and short side. I wouldn't even bother. This is craziness right here. Crazy price action. But it's going to gap. 1850 is the high. 1849. So it's going to gap. Yeah, so crazy price action the past week. Not financial advice. I'd stay far away from this. If you guys want to gamble, go ahead. But yeah, honorable mention. I have no idea what the hell's going on with the stock. And today's the biggest volume, too. The past days didn't even have that much volume compared to today. That's weird. So not exactly sure what's happening here. But, yeah, crazy price action. Probably stay away. Unless you want to gamble. But know what you're getting yourself into. Alright, Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's do it. Gap at 100? Really? I don't see it. Yeah, I don't see it. Maybe it's on a different chart. Anyway, I'd stay far away from the stock. Can you take a look at IMPP? Yeah, sure. Wow. This made a new low? Is that right? That's disgusting. All right, so new low. Wasn't really expecting that. Yeah, it's pretty sick. So it looks like it's holding 36 pretty well. But this is a new low. Looks like it's bottoming out though. Yeah, so 36 may be the bottom. I mean, 39 RSI, so not quite oversold and undervalued, but above average entry. And yeah, long term it does look good. You know, like I've been saying all along. Big cup and handle, gap down at 470, so it eventually should come back up there. So yeah, pretty sick. All-time low recently. But, you know, looks like a pretty good buying opportunity. Not financial advice, and long-term looks really good. So hang in there. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Damn, should have exited when I went back up to 90 back here, huh? Damn, that sucks. But this will have its day again. It's going to mini squeeze, going to gamma squeeze, and long-term looks bullish. So, yeah, it really sucks. Really unfortunate. Sorry about that, dude. But hang in there. Long-term, it should pay off. Should I sell my position and buy back? You want to sell it now at the low? Probably not, dude. Yeah, you probably shouldn't sell. Not at the all-time low. You should sell options. You should average down and sell calls, covered calls. I think that's the best thing to do at this point, Ken. So, not financial advice, but no, I would not sell it and buy it back. And you're gonna get wash saled if you do that. So that's another thing you have to consider. My bad, I got filled. Yep. Keeps going down. Right, it is too low already. Yeah. So I certainly wouldn't sell. I just average down and sell covered calls. So that way, you know, you can slowly start to recoup your money. You may be in this for the long term holding. Hopefully not though. But yeah, I think that's the best way to go about it. Definitely don't sell, average down, and sell covered calls. Never sell at the low, not financial advice. Well, never say never, but it's usually not a good idea, generally speaking, to sell at the low. Yes. Doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure that out. All right, Bed Bath & Beyond. Let's do it. So here is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. This finishes at $16 today. This finishes at $16 today. That is up 23.55%. Oh, a little bit of lag there at the end. Try one more time. Now I lost frames. Unless you like to buy high. Yeah, buy high, sell low. That's the motto. Like Kathy Wood. You can be like Kathy Wood. Buy high, sell low. Why am I still not getting frames? Come on. There we go. Alright, that was better. So we've been discussing this stock for the past few weeks. If you guys have been following the market lately, this stock and a bunch of other low float stocks and meme stocks have been squeezing recently. And while most of those stocks did eventually pull back, this stock is still going. Very surprising. The apes are definitely strong in this one. This actually looked like, a few days ago, this actually looked like the momentum was winding down and the squeeze was coming to an end. But nope. Psych. On Friday, the momentum started going crazy again. Today we got even more strong momentum. Today we got even strong. Today we got even more strong momentum. And it appears like the squeeze is still on. This was once again, this made top 10 on StockTwits. This was number 3 after AMC and SPY. Had 8,000 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. I got some alerts here. Someone just DM'd me on StockTwits. I gotta get back to them. All right. I was like, what the hell? Why I got so many notifications? Someone trying to hate on me. Anyway. So no company specific news to justify this price action today. Like I said, this is just really social media driven right now. Apes in here. Momentum still really strong. They're not giving up. They just keep buying and holding. They're not giving up. They just keep diamond handing. Still in here, still strong, still squeezing the stock.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
So I'm very happy for the apes. Just be careful at this. Just be careful at this point, guys. Don't be afraid to take profits and secure the gains, because eventually this will come crashing down. But all right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. Let me get my notes out. All right. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 440. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 1750, 1855, 1965, 2160, 2450, 2855, or even 3030. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to go all the way back up to the high of 5390. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be 750 or 855. Or 1855. But those are all bullish indicators that is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Here we have an ascending channel. The upper channel is currently at $15, and the lower channel is currently at $12. So if this breaks 15 to the upside, that would be bullish, and if this breaks 12 to the downside, that would be bearish. And this did, in fact, break $15 today, so the ascending channel is currently a bullish indicator. Last week, when we analyzed this stock, we did have a bull flag that formed, and I did say that was a bullish indicator. That was suggesting that the stock was due for a breakout, and it did in fact break out. And today, a new bull flag is forming, and today a bigger new bull flag is forming. No confirmation just yet, but here's the flag pole. So all we would need is some pullback to form the flag, and that would be a bullish indicator that is suggesting that this stock is due for another breakout. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down. This is pulling back down to 1585. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. And gaps now. All right, and now for the bearish stuff. Well, before it was actually the bearish one with the aftermarket action. Anyway. And then we do have a triple gap up. First gap up was created today. First gap up was created today at 1330. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 1330 to fill that gap. Second gap up was back at 830. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 830 to fill that gap. And the final gap up was created, and the final gap up was back at 650. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 650 to fill that gap. And all of those gaps should fill in the short term. All right, I think I got everything there. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right, so I guess we'll go up to 30 and down to 0. Yeah. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1620 and 1565. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1620, 1665, 1710, 1750, 1805, 1855, 1890, 1930, 1965, 2015, 2055, 2090, 2125, 2160, 2205, 2245, 2280, 2310, 2345, 24, 2450, 2530, 2580, 2580, 2640, 2670, 2725, 2775, 2810, 2855, 2920, 2955, and then 3030. There is resistance above 3030, but we're not going to discuss that right now. That was a lot. All right, to the downside. And to the downside, and if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1565, 1530, 1490, 1450, 1420, 1380, 1340, 1295, 1260, $12, 1170, 1125, 1090, 1055, 1015, 965, 920, 885, 855, 815, 795, 750, 715, 695, 665, 640, 610, 585, 550, $5, 475, and then the low of 440. That was a lot. Okay. So right now at the current price, $16. The channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. Yes. Let's see. However, if/when this breaks 715, it's a damn motorcycle. To the downside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 715 to the downside. RSI is currently at 80. RSI is currently at 83. So this is pretty deep in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. And this did 163 million in volume today, which is the biggest volume day of the year. So very significant volume, way above the average of 9 million. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And it does appear like the squeeze is still on. A lot of volume, a lot of momentum here today. Okay, guys. Just my opinion, not financial advice. And this is going to be more or less the same from what I've been saying. The last few times we covered the stock, just with the updated numbers here. Just with the updated price action here. Oh, I got a comment. Victor Sotelo. What's up, brother? Did you go over MEGL already? I might have missed your thoughts on it. First of all, shout out to you, Victor. What's up? I don't think I've seen you here before in the live show, so welcome to the show and the community. We briefly talked about MEGL. It's an honorable mention. We're not going to do a full TA on it, but we just briefly looked at it. There's not much to say about it. You know, just crazy price action, and I recommended that you just stay away from it altogether on the long and short side. Although shorting it kind of looks like a good idea right now. Not financial advice, but yeah. Give me a second. Let me just finish up with Bed Bath & Beyond, and we'll look at it again. But we briefly did discuss it, but yeah, we'll do it again once I finish up here. So give me a second. But shout out to you, dude. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. All right. Oh no. There's someone's alarm outside. You gotta be kidding me. Someone's car alarm is going off outside. Really, bro?
Bruh.
Yeah, I hope they get that under control. This is really annoying. I said, so there's no ambulances, but we got a car alarm today. Go figure. Come on, shut up. I can barely hear the car alarm. Let's press it. Yeah, alright. It's just really annoying. Hopefully it doesn't pick up on the sound. After the show is over. I may have to redo it if it doesn't. If the sound comes up too big. This is really distracting, though. Thank you. I know it's more of a lottery ticket, but if the charts are speaking to you, I'd love to hear your opinion. Thanks, man. Yeah, all right, we'll take a look at it. Let me just finish up here with Bid Bath and Beyond. But I think, don't quote me on this, but I think last time I checked it, literally a couple of minutes ago, it looked like a good short play. But yeah, give me a second. Let me finish up here. All right. So once again, I'm very happy for the apes. Forgot to mention too. Let's back up a little bit here. So this squeezed all the way from the $4 range to over 17 today. So what would that be? 300%? So massive price action so far, over a 300% gain, and it looks like the squeeze is still on. All right. So once again, I'm very happy for the apes. A lot of people printing tendies in the past couple of weeks. But like I said, this is getting very dangerous at this point. Pretty much a game of hot potato. Yeah, this is getting very dangerous at this point. I think this is fairly obvious, but this is a straight up gamble, not an investment. It's pretty much a game of hot potato at this point. Someone's going to get caught holding the bag. Make sure it's not you. Because this will come crashing down. Just a matter of when, not if. Long term, the stock still looks really bullish. Again, we got some strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle, bull flag, and descending channel. In the short term, this may keep going a bit more to the upside because this is still short squeezing. But honestly, it's starting to look pretty bearish. And this looks like it's due for some pretty significant pullback. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Personally, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. I'm not saying it's a bad play, but again, this is a straight up gamble at this point. So if you want to go long, know what you're getting yourself into here. Like I said, this already went up over 300% in the past few weeks. Crazy price action. Really can't expect too much more out of this. So you missed a lot of upside already, and going long here at $16 would pretty much be FOMO at this point. Oh, I forgot to mention. Again, we have some strong bearish indicators in the high RSI, aftermarket action, and triple gap up. Okay. So it's pretty hard to predict how high this is potentially going to squeeze because there are no gap downs to go off of. Um, but like I said earlier, I think the most realistic tops would be 1750. Um, or 1855. We'll just be generous. We'll just be generous and call it 1855. So from the current price of $16 up to 1855. Let's see. Yeah, 15%. That would be about a 15% upside potential. Right. So there doesn't appear to be too much more upside potential to go here on the long side. And again, this should come back down to 650 eventually to fill the gap there. And from the current price of $16, that would be about a 60% downside potential. So massive downside potential here in the short term. So I would say going long at the current price, $16 would be a high risk, medium reward play. I say high risk because, again, a 60% downside potential here. And I say medium reward play because this is still short squeezing, so technically anything can happen. And I say medium reward play because it does appear like there's not too much more upside to go, but this is still short squeezing, so anything can happen. But yeah, going along here is not really worth it in my opinion. I think you missed a chance. And if you FOMO here, there's a good chance you get burned. So $16 is a pretty terrible entry. And honestly, if you're a bit patient, this should pull back down to 650. This should pull back down to 650 to fill the gap. And I think that would be an excellent entry. You really can't go too wrong at 650. Massive upside potential in the longer term, and really shouldn't go too much lower to the downside. It's near the all-time low. So I would say going long at 650 would be a low-risk, high-reward play. Definitely worth a shot, in my opinion. So I don't like the current entry of $16, but I can support going long at 650. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. If you do want to go long here, please do that at your own risk. And it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. Make sure you set your sell orders and your stop losses. Be very careful, guys. Secure the gains, don't get too greedy. This is very dangerous at this point. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, Let's read some comments real quick. Charts are speaking. Stay away. TA and fundamental analysis is worthless on moves like these. MAGL. It's not totally worthless, but it's definitely doesn't have as much of a factor for sure. But yes, I would agree. Stay away. But we'll take a look at that real quick. High risk, medium reward, and Bed Bath and Beyond. Yes, absolutely. Going along right now. That's what I would say. Yes. What up, Purple Rings? What's up? Nice having you back here.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Still in holding 1,000 shares on what? Bed Bath and Beyond? Nice, dude. So I don't know what your cost basis is. I think you told me, but I forgot. But yeah, you know, really well done. Just be careful at this point, you know. It's looking pretty bearish, as I'm explaining right now. So have an exit plan, you know. Make sure you set some stop losses or something and sell orders. But really well done. Congrats to you, and good luck going forward. $11 cost basis. So you're up like almost 50% so far. Wow, dude. Really nice gains. So, you know, you got to be happy with that. Like I said, don't get too greedy. Set some stop losses, set some sell orders. You know, 50% gain. Got to be happy with that. So congrats so far and good luck, man. Ten says nice. 1.2 billion market cap still low. GME and AMC both reach over 30 billion at peaks. The IBKR still showing no shares to borrow and borrow rate over 30%. Really? No shares to borrow? It does say that? I thought there were. Apparently not, though. Let me check that real quick. Well, my IBKR says it is shortable, just low inventory. So not many shorts, but there are shares available. IBKR will find you the shares. That's what I like about them. Even if they're not available, they'll find them for you somehow. I'm not gonna ask how. They may be synthetic, but IBKR is really good on that. They will find you shares when no one else can get you shares. But yeah, so yeah, it still looks like it's squeezing. You know, just be careful. And actually, it's up in the aftermarket, so I may have to say that right now. Yeah, let me just say that real quick. And in the aftermarket here, this is pumping up to, this is running up to 1610. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will continue to run to the upside. All right, did you talk about TTO at 16 cents yet? Oh, that's what I missed. My bad, Wilson. Yeah, I was gonna do that, but I forgot. So let me finish up here, and then we'll look at all these stocks you guys want me to look at. My bad, dude. I forgot. We'll get to that. Bullish on both since they're solid. Oh, TA on Nvidia and Nike. First one held up pretty strong today. All right, so yeah, let me finish up with Bed Bath & Beyond. Then we'll look at all these stocks you guys want me to look at. So bear with me. Almost done here. All right. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice. Looks like a pretty good play to me. And I know that is an unpopular opinion. And I know that's not a popular opinion. Don't hit me, guys. I'm just reading the chart. Again, this is starting to look very bearish. We got strong bearish indicators in the high RSI and triple gap up. And this will come crashing down. Just a matter of when, not if. Let's see here. again, there's about a 15% upside potential in the short term and about a 60% downside potential in the short term. So I would say going short at the current price, $16, would be a medium risk, high reward play. I say medium risk because this is still short squeezing. A lot of momentum. So this can keep running to the upside, although it really shouldn't go too much further to the upside. Again, this is due for some very significant pullback. And I say high reward play because, again, there is a 60% downside potential here. So going short is definitely worth. So going short is definitely worth a shot here, in my opinion. A little bit risky. Again, because this is still short squeezing, but as long as you're able to withstand a little bit, but as long as you're able to withstand upside pressure here, a decent amount of upside pressure here, again, this should eventually pull back down to at least 650. And that should be some very fat tendies on the downside here. So I can support going short at the current price, $16 and higher. And again, I would cover at 650 where the gap is for a relatively easy 60% downside gain here. Okay. So pretty straightforward, guys. This has been an epic short squeeze in the past few weeks. Still squeezing. Ape still strong. But at this point, it's starting to look very bearish. It's starting to look pretty bearish. This is getting very dangerous, so be careful. Nothing wrong with taking some profits, securing the gains. And at some point, sooner or later, this will have to come crashing down. Just a matter of when, not if. In the long term, the stock still looks really bullish. In the short term, there's probably a bit more upside to go because this is still squeezing. But yeah, this is starting to look pretty bearish, and sooner or later, this is due for some significant pullback. So sooner or later, this will come crashing down. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. I personally wouldn't do that, and I would not recommend that. You missed a lot of upside already, about 300%. And at this point, going long would pretty much be FOMO and good chance you get burned. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk. And it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. Be very careful. Set your stop losses and your sell orders. But honestly, if you're a bit patient, this should come back down to 650 to fill the gap. And I think that would be an excellent entry. Way better than $16. So I don't like the current entry of $16, but I can support going long. At 650. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. And if you want to go short now, financial advice looks like a pretty good play at the moment. Still a bit risky because this is still short squeezing. Ape's still in here, strong momentum, so anything can happen. But it really shouldn't go too much further to the upside. So as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here, this should pull back down to 650. Eventually to fill the gap. And that would, yeah. So I don't like the current, excuse me. So I can't support going short at the current price, $16 and higher. And again, I would cover at 650 where the gap is. And that should be a relatively easy 60% downside gain. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. All right. Took way longer than I expected, but we stopped here a couple of times to read some comments. So my bad for that, guys. Pretty boring, just me talking a lot, but we're done with that. Okay, let's catch up on some comments and some TA you guys want me to look at, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos here. All right, so what are we looking at? MEGL, TTOO, NVIDIA, and Nike. It's always a popular opinion for rainbow bears. Yes, absolutely. But this is kind of a safe space here, you know, when we can just rainbow bear all we want. The outside, most people don't like rainbow bears. But shout out to Team Rainbow Bear right here. Do I still have the meme? Oh, I do. Yeah. Shout out to the Rainbow Bears. Oops, where's my applause button? John Jacob. What's up, dude? And what up, Stock Vader? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Oh, and Saiga, too. Do not forget overrated Saiga. Yes, Saiga as well. APRN, the next MOAS. Is that Blue Apron? APRN? I think that's Blue Apron. We'll check it out. That is also a meme stock, yes. So possibly. We'll check that out. And Stockvader says Revlon is about to go nuclear. Forbes and Morgan Stanley are starting to load up. All right, so yeah. So another meme stock, Revlon. So we'll check that one out as well. That one did squeeze not too long ago though, so I'm not so sure if it's gonna squeeze anytime soon, but definitely possible. But yeah, everything's MOAS right now, right? But yeah, let's check some stuff out. So MEGL, hope you're still here. Whoever asked, who was it? Victor. Yes, Victor. All right, so MEGL. Oh, it pulled back. Yeah, so the high is 1850. So if it stays here at like 19, it's gonna gap. But really not even worth it to go short here. So yeah, crazy price action on this one. Ever since it IPO'd. I would recommend just staying far away from this altogether. Both sides, short and long. Stay far away from this. Unless you want to gamble. If you want to gamble, go ahead. But this is really not that smart to go for, I don't think. High risk, high reward here. Both sides. I can't really analyze it because there's only 6 days of data. But yeah, I think the best thing to do here is just avoid this altogether. Probably not the best idea to play this one right now. But if I had to choose a side, it would be short. So I'd stay away, but if you ask me which way I think it's going, I'd say to the downside. So I think if you want to gamble, I'd say go short rather than long. I think that's the better play. But yeah, really can't analyze this too much, but because there's no data. But yeah, if you're not in it, I'd just stay away. And if you want to gamble, I go short. Not financial advice. All right, TTOO. So I talked about this one last week. 16. Yeah, what's happening here? Aftermarket. Oh, earnings. Right. So if you watched my video last week, I did say it's coming back down to 16 to fill the gap. And it's going to come back down to 16 to fill the gap here. So, yeah, it kind of sucks. I didn't see the earnings, but I'm assuming they're bad. And yeah, this is probably coming back down to 16, fill the gap there, and then it's going to come back up to 19, because another gap is going to be created today. So, yeah. Last week, I did predict this would come back down to 16. That is going to happen. So, from here, it's bullish. It's bullish. It should come back up to 19 to fill the gap there. And longer term, it does look bullish. You know, big cup and handle and gap down at, like 40 cents. So, pretty unfortunate. But I did call it. And, yeah, it looks like it's going to happen. 16. So, going to pull back to at least 16. I think that's an excellent entry. Good time to load up. Not financial advice. 16 and lower. Good time to load up. And should come back up to 19 and higher, and in the 19 in the short term, and longer term up to 40 to fill the gap. So yeah, pretty unfortunate. Sorry about that, but looks like a good buying opportunity at this point. Gap got filled and looks bullish from here. So I hope that helps you out, Wilson. What else we're looking at? AP. Oh, Nvidia and Nike. You're welcome, Wilson, or not Wilson, Victor. And Revlon, we gotta check that out, yeah. So Nvidia. Okay. So obviously Nvidia is a good stock. Good long-term bullish stock. I'm just a bit concerned because looks like there's gaps to fill here. Are there? 154.45. Oh no, that's not a gap. This is a gap though. 160. Yeah, 160. Gap at 160. So, you know, above average RSI right now, 60 RSI. So I'll try to get this back at 159, 160-ish. I think that's a good entry. And it should come back down there. And of course, long term, it's really bullish. Big cup and handle, multiple gap downs, blue chip stock. So, I think. Yeah, so this one, I would set the buy orders to 160-ish. But yeah, no doubt long-term, still really good stock. Yeah, I think 160 is a good time to go long. Good time to enter. And Nike, not doing much here today. RSI is 59, so above average there. And what's this? 103.8. Is there a gap here? 111.75. Yeah, there is a gap. There is a gap at 112-ish. 112. Which is not that far off. I mean, so it's a pretty decent entry, you know, long term. It is a pretty decent entry. So I think this will pull back down to at least 112, but that's not that much better of an entry. But yeah, I think 112 is a good time to enter here. I mean, I think 116 is pretty good entry, long term. But I try to go for 112 here. And long term looks really bullish. All right, APRN. So I hope that answers your question, Punk Skater. APRN, yeah, Blue Apron. So another meme stock squeezing here. Next MOAS. So yeah, I mean, it looks like it's starting. Not much aftermarket action here, but today definitely squeezing, gamma squeezing. So I'm not gonna call it MOAS just yet, but definitely getting squeezed here, gamma squeezed. So hopefully it does moon for the apes. I sure hope so. But RSI is at 69 right now. Nice, low, but yeah, pretty high up there. And starting the top maybe 5. That may be the top of the cup. So yeah, I sure hope so. Long term, it looks bullish. Got a cup and handle gap down here. Gap down at like 780, so should eventually come back up there. But short term, I don't know. I kind of think it's gonna top out at 5. We'll see though. And there is a gap up at 385, so this should come back down to 385, fill that gap. So be careful here. I hope it's MOAS, and it looks like there's more upside to go, but just be careful. You know, highly risky stuff, high risk, high reward. Revlon and Saiga. Yeah, Revlon 31% today. Crazy stuff. Yeah, how did we miss that? No one's even talking about it. All right, Revlon. So it's still squeezing, huh? Ape's not giving up. So there's not too much to go off of here, other than cup and handle, to be honest. I don't really see any gaps. But RSI is at 61 right now, so above average entry. Pulling back in the aftermarket, so probably pulling back tomorrow. But yeah, bull flag developing here. If I can draw it. There was one bull flag. Here's two bull flag. So another bull flag developing. That's bullish. Probably going to break out again. But other than that, there's really not much to go off of. Just the cup and handle and the bull flag. So looks like there's a bit more upside to go. I don't know if it's going to go nuclear, but it does look bullish. I will say that. Kind of risky, though. All these meme stocks are risky, so be careful, guys. But yeah, Revlon looks, it does look pretty good, I'm not going to lie. Just be careful. Saiga. This one's still going up. Wow, yep, it's still going up. Up another 5.66% today. So now this is officially in overbought, overvalued territory. 72 RSI. And the volume's going down. That's weird. It's still squeezing, but the volume's going down. So it looks like no one's really selling. Everyone's just covering and holding. But yeah, same stuff. You know, all-time high. Gap up at 750. I still think it's coming back down to 750. But yeah. Looks like a head and shoulders might be developing. All-time high. High RSI. Gap up. So it's looking really, really bearish now. And this doesn't make sense why it's still going up. Because the volume keeps going down, but this keeps going up. So definitely some shady stuff going on here. Looks like some manipulation going on. That doesn't make sense. This should not keep going up when the volume keeps going down every single day. So this does look very bearish to me. Just be careful, because there's definitely something going on here. Definitely some sort of manipulation, some type of coordinated attack, I think. Something shady going on. I can't really say what's going on, but definitely hedge funds, institutions, you know, scheming something in the back here. This does not make any sense. This is not normal. So yeah, it looks really bearish. Just be careful, because you don't want to, you know, mess around with the institutions that much. So I hope that answers your question. Bizzlebub, did I get everything? AMC acting weird after hours. 23 bid, 24 ask. That's huge spread even after hours. Only buys on the ticker tape for the past 5. That is weird. I don't know. Maybe the apes are taking a break. Interesting. Wonder why. Revlon bankruptcy. Why still going up? Because it's squeezing. Because the apes are strong. That's why. Doesn't make any sense. Man, I wish IMPP is bankruptcy. I don't know, dude. Like, you actually don't wish that. You actually don't want that. But somehow in the market, it's working. Somehow in this market, it's working. Everything low float and bankruptcy. Everything, yeah, bankruptcy and low float. So, I think you wish that IMPP went up, not that it went bankrupt. But if it goes bankrupt, then if it goes up because it goes bankrupt, you know, great. But pretty counterintuitive. You don't want stuff you're invested in going bankrupt, generally speaking. That's pretty funny. Man, I'm so underwater. Guh. Why can't it just go bankrupt so I can make my money back? That's pretty funny. That's the state of the market. You want your stuff to go bankrupt so it can squeeze. That's saying something. Something's definitely wrong here. Thanks. I hope they get FDA approval soon. I mean, if they do, that would be bullish, if anything. Are you long or short, Beelzebub? I think you're long, right? If you're long, you know, I'd probably cash in soon. Not financial advice, but this is getting really ridiculous. Yeah, man, market is whack. Yeah, 2022 is whack. totally unpredictable. All right. Rev is a pharma company? I mean, technically, is it? Not really. Is it classified as one? I don't know. I don't think it is. Anyway, guys, I think that's all the tickers you wanted me to look at. Let me just double check. Saga. Yeah, I think I got them all. Yeah, they're a makeup company, not a pharma company. That's what I... But, like, is makeup kind of considered pharma? I don't think so. I'm swing trading this stock. I want it to go down so I can get a lower bid, but every day it goes up further. Yeah. And no reason either. Like I said, definitely something shady going on. Some sort of manipulation. That's not natural. Raw Coco haven't posted any video about BBIG for 3 weeks because it's because it's halted. Because it's not even Did he address it at all? Did he say anything about it getting halted, or did he just completely ignore the fact, and he's just not going to talk about BBIG anymore? Oh man, I love it. It's got a nuclear MOAS. It's got a nuclear MOAS. Gets delisted. Gets halted. Zip. Silence. Nothing. So you should ask him about it. You should ask him about it. Raw Coco. What's up with BBIG? He said he still holds strong and buy more every day. How? How is he buying more? He's a liar. He's a liar. He's not buying more. What a liar. Well, he's a fraud. Bruh.
Bruh.
Yeah. So, I now I can say that the guy's a liar. I couldn't say that before, but yeah, definitely lying there. Every time he says he's buying more, he probably didn't buy any more. And, yeah, where can he trade BBIG, some shady OTC broker? Nowhere. Nowhere. You can't. I don't know what's going on. He failed on BBIG? Yep. But you know him. It's okay. Look at me. I'm still smiling. Am I worried? No. I'm going to buy more. Yeah, what a fraud. What a fraud. So I hate these YouTube pumpers. I hate these YouTube pumpers. And they get so many subs. The guy's 5,000 subs. Why? Why?
Bruh.
So, you know, you get a lot of subs very fast, but it's a short-lived career. So, yeah, I think his channel's pretty much done. Well, he is a squeezing channel, pretty much, but he was shilling BBIG, so. Yeah, I don't know. Don't listen to that guy. And don't listen to any pumpers. Don't listen to any YouTube pumpers. Like, seriously, if they're not licensed to do this stuff, if they're not a financial professional, you should probably not listen to financial YouTubers. Kind of hypocritical, because when I started this, I was not licensed, but now I am. But, yeah, you know, I have integrity. I'm not gonna scream, moon, 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 pump, pump, pump. No, I'm gonna tell you guys the truth. Hoot Money lost big on BBIG too? Who is Hoot Money? I've never heard of Hoot Money. Also sounds like a pumping channel. What if BBIG go up 120 bucks after halt? Then Raw Coco will be back for sure. I'll tell you what. I was gonna say if it goes up to 120, I will do some rainbow things to Raw Coco. I would, but that's not gonna happen. Anyway. Alright guys, so yeah, that's all the TA for today. Took way longer than expected, but I hope you guys enjoyed that, and hope you guys enjoyed my answering your guys' questions. Hoot Money. That's his channel. I'll check it out. But it sounds like a pumper. Sounds like a straight up pumper, but I'll check it out. Alright guys, good stuff. Let's get on to the Yolos. So we should be done here in by 6:30. So I said hour and a half to 2 hours. Looks like we're going 2.5 hours. Never fails. But it's because you guys are chatting a lot. A lot of people in here chatting today. A lot of chat. So thank you guys for that. Always a pleasure to stay in, you know, kick it with you guys, to chat. Let me just double check YouTube real quick. Where are we at? 4 viewers, 21 likes. All right, so we lost most of our viewers, but a lot of likes there. 21 likes. So appreciate you guys. So that definitely is one of the better shows, like, ever. Not the record. I think the record is 26, but definitely up there. So appreciate you guys. Great show.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. But I think most people did. All the regulars are here. I think you guys already did. But if you haven't, please do. Any spin-off and divided. Any spin-off and divided. Coming, guys. And dividend. All right. Not that I know of. But, you know, spin-offs and special dividend are a recipe for disaster. Apes get burned there. You guys should know that by now. BBIG, MMAT, all that good stuff. We strong apes. Well, the apes are winning in Bed Bath & Beyond right now, but, you know, here I try to teach you guys how to not ape. You know, like yes, still ape, but, you know, learn to not be a total, complete crayon-eating ape. Anyways, let's, give me a second here. Let me pull up the Yolos. Gonna take a minute or two, because we have a lot today. So let me just pull it up and let's read some comments in the meantime while that loads up. But give me a second here. Or a minute, rather. Yeah, we have a lot today. Alright, 3 more. Alright, cool. All tabs open. Just gotta let that load. AMC dividend this Friday. Still nobody knows what the hell it is. I thought it was 1 cent. Is it not 1 cent? I thought it was 1 cent. I'm pretty sure it's 1 cent. I think they said it already. It's 1 cent per share. Which is actually not that bad, to be honest. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 1 cent per share. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I think they announced it already. Is apes good or bad? Well, I guess it depends on how you view it. To me, as a financial professional, it's bad. I mean, I'm glad for everyone who does make money, but the majority apes YOLO, FOMO, and get wrecked. So I definitely don't encourage aping behavior. I don't think it's investing. It's gambling, and you know, over the long term, it's not going to work. But sometimes they do win. You know, GME, AMC, and Bed Bath & Beyond. But most of the time, they don't. So, I don't know. It depends on how you look at it. But to me, generally speaking, aping is bad. You ever heard of Network 126 YouTube channel? He is worse than Kroger guy. Never heard of him. And if he's worse, then I really don't care. Isn't Rawa Coco work at Kroger in Chicago? Does he? I don't know. That'd be pretty funny if he does. I have no idea. Does he? That'd be pretty funny. It is 1 cent per share and preferred equity in a new ticker called APE. Yeah, special dividend. So yes, it is 1 cent, right? Yeah, you get 1 cent of APE for every AMC share you have. Pretty sure that's how it works. Why Redbox got delisted? Because it merged with Chicken Soup for the Soul. So Redbox is not a stock anymore. It's CSSE is the new ticker. They merged. Will GME hit triple digit again? After the reverse split, maybe not. Or after the split, maybe not. Definitely possible. But it split, so I don't know if it ever will get there again. Possible, though. What about HKD, $12 to $2,500? Yeah, well, that was an anomaly. That is not typical. Definitely some low float shenanigans going on there. And trust me, no retail got in at $12. I promise you that. Probably retail FOMO'd in at like 2,000, you know. FOMO'd aped in and then lost all their money. Alright. Still loading here, but I think we can get started. It's like half loaded. Alright, let's do it. What's that low roller? I don't know if we got time today. It's getting pretty late. I don't know if we have time to watch that. But what is that? Is it long? If we got time, we'll watch it. But it's getting pretty late here. Alright, guys. So, today, this should be fun. We have a lot of YOLOs. 13 YOLOs. A lot of memes. A lot of gain corn on Bed Bath & Beyond. And some lost corn as well. But this should be fun. Nothing too serious. Let's do it. Only 3 minutes. Alright, fine. We'll watch it. This first one is by S-Hole Trader. Gotta read it yourself, can't say it. In respect of all the artards and apes at Wall Street Bits. Alright, so, this guy's chest here. Got some pretty hairy nipples. What is that? Okay. Looks like a 40 or 50-year-old dude. I don't know. Got some gray in his beard, too. I think this guy's like 40 years old. Anyway. So, yeah, big tat here. Right across the chest. On his pec, at least. To the moon. And he didn't even color it in. Maybe he will get it colored eventually. But this is pretty bad-looking rocket. I don't know. Kind of a subpar tattoo. Maybe it's not finished yet. I don't know. It's pretty cool, but, you're gonna have to live with that for the rest of your life, dude. He's probably gonna regret his decisions. but I like it. Shout out to this guy. Yeah, so that's pretty cool, but let's be honest. That's pretty bad looking tattoo. Looks like it's done by an amateur or something. Maybe if you color it in, it'll look a little better. I think you should color it in. You know what? Just get it removed. That'd be better. So yeah, S-Hole Trader, thanks for posting. Respect for getting the tat. But you may regret that. Regret that. Like in We're the Millers. No regrets, right? You may regret that one. But good stuff, good stuff. Thanks for that. Oh man, this one got deleted. Alright. That sucks. Moving on. Alright. Oh, I guess there was, I guess there is no memes. I guess I had only 2 memes. Anyway, onto the gain corn. This is by Visit Dazzling 1326. So, nice Bed Bath & Beyond update for those who wanted to see all time. Yeah, so, he's up 50k. Almost 100%. It says in the past year, but it's really in the past, like, couple weeks here. When Bed Bath & Beyond has started squeezing. So, yeah, 50k gain, 100%. So, yeah, the guy went all in. I don't recommend you guys do this. But, you know, Super Ape stuff, all in. Meme stock. And he got lucky and printed 100%, 50k. So, yeah, at this point, you know, just set some stop losses. Either cash in, set some sell orders, and set some stop losses. Don't hold it back to 0, okay? Set some stop losses. Make sure you take the profits. So, yeah, really well done. Don't do this, guys, but really well done. Pretty lucky, and yeah, at this point, Visit Dazzling. Make sure you sell, either through stop losses or just regular selling. But yeah, congrats to you. Good luck, and please post updates. Cargo Guy just need 8 subscribers left. Alright, well, yeah, he's almost there. Congrats to him. I wish Hunter Biden invite me and Lady Gaga to do some snow. I don't think Hunter Biden does snow. He does some harder stuff. You know, he's into the poor people's snow. If you catch my drift. Would you want to do that with Hunter Biden? I don't know if he's a cool guy or what. He also does. He does a lot of hires a lot of service providers. If you know what I mean. He has a good time. He has a good time. But you know what? If I was Joe Biden, I would be highly embarrassed to have him for a son. You know, it's not a good look as the president. Yeah, and the guy, he got 70K for no reason, just to sit on some board of directors for some Ukrainian company or, yeah, some Ukrainian company. So, you know, it's nice being privileged. And I'm not sure if Lady Gaga does that stuff, but okay. Is Kroger guy Raw Coco? No, it's a different guy. Damn, 50K gain. How did they do that? You go all in YOLO on a meme stock and you get lucky. That's how. Don't do this. Don't do this. I will do that with Kim Kardashian and Lady Gaga. Yeah, I think they're a bit more classic. I don't think they do. I don't think they do the poor people white, the poor people snow. Maybe regular snow. It's okay to smoke poor people snow. Well, I think that depends on the stuff you're smoking, and it may not delete you, but you know you should probably not do that. It's not a good idea. I don't encourage you guys. I don't condone doing hard drugs. But okay. Yeah, Lady Gaga does. Go check out the video. She's in it. What video? With Hunter Biden? Really? Okay, I gotta check this out. I don't really keep up with the gossip and stuff like that. You know, I'm busy doing some other things, but interesting. I gotta take a look at that. All right, moving on. This one's by, oh, same guy. Never mind. So this was not as epic gain corn. Moving on here. Same guy. It is much safer than F. Yeah, anything is safer than F. Well, now they got some new stuff. That's not saying much though. Just because it's safer doesn't mean you should do it with Biden. She was doing it with Biden. Really, I gotta check that out. First, why does this guy record? Why does he record himself doing drugs and doing debaucherous things? You figure, and I saw the video where he was weighing out. He was weighing out the crack, and he was like, "Damn, I got gypped." He's like, "Damn, the dealer scammed me." I'm like, "Bro, are you serious right now?"
Bruh.
Like, why are you? I can't even with that guy. Like I said, nice to be privileged. What would he do without Daddy? They should put all that money in Amazon puts next week. No risk whatsoever. Well, it's not no risk, but don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Never say never. Like this guy, right? Like the good guy. Can't go tits up. Proceeds to lose everything. Damn, you missing out? She was nude? Alright. I don't know what you're talking about. I gotta check this video out. You need to subscribe to Network 126. He is worse than Kroger guy. The followers are attacking him. That's interesting. So why does the followers attack him, but they don't attack Kroger guy? I'm not subscribing, but we'll check it out. Because he's president's son? Yeah, nice being privileged. Hunter said he smoked more cheese than everyone else. I mean, I believe it. I think that's all he did. Because he has a book about it. He went on TV about it. Yeah, this guy, he's untouchable. So, nice being privileged. VRM? What about VRM? You want me to check it out? We'll check it out after we're done here. Can you watch Network 126 video tomorrow? Someone attacking his RV house in his 8-minute video? Not today. That's too long. But maybe if we got some more time tomorrow, yeah, sure. Put Hunter Biden X video? I'll check it out after this. Dan Randall, APR and going to go nuclear? Yeah, so shout out to you, Dan. Welcome to the show and the community. Or I think you've been here before. I'm not sure. But we did look at APRN not too long ago. Someone else mentioned it. Blue Apron. Forgot who did. Let's see here. John Jacob did. All right. But yeah, it does look pretty good. Not gonna look at it again, but it does look, not saying it's gonna go nuclear, but it very well may. Just be careful. You've been here before, thanks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I remember you now. Yeah, APRN. Yeah, why not? We'll just look at it again real quick. But we did look at it before. Oh yeah. So long term looks bullish. Short term, there's still more upside to go, but RSI is getting pretty high up there. Strong resistance at $5, critical resistance there, and there is a gap up today at 385. So it is starting to look pretty bearish. Just probably will keep squeezing for a little bit longer. Just be very careful. High risk, high reward. So I hope it does squeeze. I hope the apes make a lot of money, but just be very careful at this point for all these meme stocks. And what up? So a lot of people coming in late here. Yeah, so what's up, Gus? And what up, Stonk Squeezer? 69. Nice. Nice name there.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone. And if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please and thank you. And Onion News Network, too. Please smash the like button, guys. Revlon Ortex is nuts. Yeah, we checked out Revlon as well. You guys have been saying APRN, Revlon, some other stuff you want me to look at. We looked at all those already, but yeah. So Revlon, another one that could potentially keep squeezing. I still cannot get over the amount of Yolos we see where people bought Amazon puts. It did work for one of them when Amazon went down. But yeah, there's a lot of dumb stuff on Wall Street Bets. Highly entertaining. I thought you gotta live and stream. I thought you gonna live stream to day trade. When will that be? When crypto goes back up. When Bitcoin goes back up and I can cash it out. Because I'm not liquid right now. Most of my money's in crypto. And I'm not selling it low. So it's probably gonna be a couple of months, to be honest. But when Bitcoin comes back up, when crypto comes back up, for sure. I'm gonna start day trading again. But live stream is going to be only for like an hour a day. I'm going to put it on Discord. Just going to type my trades for the most part. Smash. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. And Fat Lips Jr. APRN might be the next Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, so you guys look like you're... and Alan Gomes, too. YOLO is done? No. We're just chatting. We're just chatting now. A lot of people chatting. I can't even get through the YOLOs. YOLO's not done. But yeah, shout out to all you guys mentioning APRN. Good luck there. Hope you guys made some fat tennies. And thank you guys for smashing the like button. If you haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, back to this. Man, crypto have a long-term run. When can Doggy Coin go back to $10? $10? Yeah, keep dreaming. Let's try $1 first. Should we FOMO into Bed Bath & Beyond? No, absolutely not. Please don't. If you want to, but I warned you. That's interesting? What's interesting? What up, Willie? Shout out to you. Welcome back. You need to watch video. Don't leave the show yet? Alright, yeah, we're gonna finish up here first. Bed Bath & Beyond should run to triple digit? Nah, hell no. No way. Keep dreaming. I wish, but that's not happening. I just saw my aunt half nude. Good. That's pretty disgusting. Ken says, can I see? I don't know if you want to, dude. Yeah. Are your eyes okay? Alright, back to this. So I appreciate everyone chatting, but let's finish up with the show here. But thank you guys for joining me today. Great show so far. Love chilling with you guys. Alright, back to this. This is by All Bets on Ick. All Bets on Ick? Alright. I'm not effing selling. Alright, I got the meme for that. Where is it? I'm not effing leaving. You probably should, though. You probably should pretty soon. Anyway, so this guy's leaps here. January 2023. $10 call. $10 strike. 91 calls. So I'm not sure what the cost basis is, but he's up 40K. Oh, it says here. Alright. No, that's not right. Maybe this is part of it. Anyway, he's up 40K. He's up 40K. So I do like this. You know, he bought leaps January 2023. And pretty decent strike, too. So, I actually kind of like this one. I do like this one. This is not typical FD Yolos lottery tickets. This is like smart aping here. Still aping, but smart aping. I can support this. I see the logic. Leaps, you know, realistic strike, and up a lot of money here. So, you know, at this point, just make sure you hit the sell button. Make sure you set some stop losses. Just don't hold it back to 0, you know, because it will come back under 10. I promise you that. So, yeah, just, you know, cash in, stop losses, sell orders. So, all bets on stock. Thanks for posting. Congrats to you so far. Really well done. Risky play, but not that risky. This is like smart aping, so I can get behind that. So, pretty good play. I like it, and printing so far. So, congrats to you. Yeah, and at this point, make sure you cash in. Stop losses, sell orders. So, congrats. Good luck, and please post updates. You guys are going crazy here. Show's going a little off the rails now, but it's pretty funny. How old is she? I don't know. How old is she? Let's squeeze APR in. Well, yeah, I hope it does squeeze. Just be very careful, you know, but I'm rooting for all the apes. What up, Brucey, and what up, Ape Father, and everyone else who came in here who didn't get a what's up.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. I'm gonna open a position in Bed Bath & Beyond, a put position. All right, dude, just be careful. Because, you know, IV is very high right now. So it may actually go in the money and you still lose money. You know, learn my lesson there. Very high IV right now, 300 to 200%. So, personally, Brucey, I would rather short it than buy a put, due to the high IV. So it should work out. It should go in the money, but you know, it's very hard to calculate. All I'm saying is you may actually lose money, even though you're right. That's happened to me quite a bit before when you buy high IV stuff. So, sounds like a plan. But just make sure it's really worth it, you know, because like I said, you could be right and still lose money. So that's why I'd rather short. Well, IV is high as F. Yeah. So that's what I mean. So it should work out, but you may actually end up losing money. So I don't know what the best play is, but personally, I'd rather short than buy puts. But good luck to you. Let me know how that works out. Tell your aunt to shake it for you. My aunt is actually pretty hot, but she's family. Yeah, that's too close. Maybe second cousins is when like incest officially stops, right? But but yeah, I think aunt is too close. But maybe you can hook someone up here in the community with your aunt. Not for you, but maybe one of us will hit. No, I'm just totally kidding. Just teasing. Alright. I think a put position in Bed Bath & Beyond is smarter than put in Saiga. Well, because Bed Bath & Beyond is actually going to go down. Saiga's not. Or won't for a while, at least. But options in both are probably not the best idea right now. Alright. So, we're getting sidetracked a lot. Let's finish up here. This is by Toothier Lake 8. I like the stock. So, Yeah, 165K YOLO here. Average cost $14.
Bruh.
So, it's working out so far. But, holy crap, don't do this, guys. This is insane. At least they're shares, not options, but don't YOLO this much money on a meme stock. I don't care how rich you are. And it's really bad entry, so, yeah, at this point, hit the sell button. Hit the sell button, please. And set your stop loss at $14, please. At least do that. Stop loss $14. And I probably hit the sell button. But yeah, so 165K YOLO here. Shares. So, crazy stuff. Don't do this, guys, but hope it works out. Good luck to you. So yeah, we just got a bunch of share YOLOs here. So this one's by Many Coconut. Jesus effing Christ. So we're gonna run through this. Wow. Okay. Right. All right. So this guy, 130K YOLO. 7,700 shares. And he just aped in even more. Bought another 2,300 at $17. Buy high, sell low. That's the motto, right? So, yeah, he got wrecked on that. But he's still up overall. Almost 13K. 11%. Really nice. So I'm not sure what the actual average is. But he's up so far. And yeah, dude, same thing. Set a stop loss at your average. Hit the sell button soon. So, ridiculous amount of money. Don't do this, guys. But at least they're shares. And at this point, set stop losses. Set sell orders. Secure the gains. So, crazy YOLO here. Stupid amount of money. But good luck to you. Alright, looks like we got disconnected for a second there. Yeah, looks like we got disconnected, but I think we're good again now. My bad. Alright, so same thing. Yeah. So, set stop losses, sell orders. You know, you're up right now. Crazy stuff, don't do this, guys, but yeah. At this point, cash in the gains. And at least set a stop loss at 14. So, good luck. Don't do this, guys. But ruin for the apes. Me, I'm first in line for what? His aunt? She's my aunt, not blood, though. I think she did it on purpose. She's hot, but that's so weird. So is she like your parents' friend? Because, you know, there's that. There's not like blood uncles and aunts, but like they're so close to your parents that you call them uncles and aunts. Hook it up with Instagram. We have to know. Willie's on about to get stuck getting something out of her dryer. Yeah. Where's my nephew? Nephew, I need some help. I'm stuck. How am I ever gonna get out of here? So I don't know if you're trolling or what, Willie, but if you do want to share a picture of your aunt, put it in Discord. link in the description. Now selling shares of the NFL? What are you talking about? Is the NFL public now? What are you talking about, Beelzebub? Please clarify. Anyway. Show the art on YouTube? I think that's too much. If Willie wants... I don't know if he's trolling, but if he's serious, if he wants to, Willie, put a picture in Discord. Alright, next one. Big Brother, 1988. Am I doing this right? So, again. 87K YOLO. Same thing. Average price 14. So, same as the last guy. Crazy stuff. Don't do this, guys. But at this point, hit the sell button. Set stop losses. Yeah, these are all really similar. Another crazy YOLO here. Stupid amount of YOLO. Stupid amount of money to YOLO. Don't do this, guys. But it's working out, so cash in and set your stop losses. Oh, actually, this is by the same guy before. Oh, so this is the other one was an update. All right, so we're gonna skip this one, but this was the same. This was the same guy as before. So yeah, it was So this is 83K, but I think it was like 130K in the other one. So I'm gonna skip this one, but yeah, good luck to this guy. All right, now to the well, this isn't Lost Corn yet, but yeah, by JZ9999, 4200 BBBY YOLO. So 60K YOLO or 61K YOLO. He's in at 14. Oh no, I don't know what the cost base is. I don't know what the average is. I think he's up though. But yeah, 60K YOLO. Same thing as the other guys. Stupid amount of money. Don't do this, guys. Not sure what the cost basis is. But yeah, dude. Stop losses. Sell orders. And, yeah, pretty much the same thing. Last guy. Oh, this one's pretty good, though. So this was a 45K YOLO. And he's up 7.5K. And he's in at $12, not 14. So this one's better. But yeah, pretty much same thing. So I do like this one better because he got in at a better price. But yeah, same thing. You know, soon, hit the sell button, set stop losses, secure the gains. Again, ridiculous amount of money to YOLO here. Don't do this, guys. But it's working out, so cash in. And, yeah, stop losses. And this is by I Am Robot Corn. Alright. So, I think we're gonna get out of here. So that's the show, guys. Sorry, low roller. It's getting pretty late, so we don't really have time to watch the videos. So we'll try it tomorrow. So I did not expect to go this late today. I said hour and a half to 2 hours, and we end up going almost 3 hours here today. That's fine, because this was a great show. A lot of people in here chatting, so I don't mind. So yeah, it's a really good show. Hook her up with Mr. Wong. Well, you know, I'm not really into older women. I like them young. But if she looks good, you know, I wouldn't mind. But I like them young. Ain't nothing wrong with a MILF, though. No, the NFL is not public, haha. I'm excited for NFL season to start, and NFL stock seems interesting. All right, got you. I was like, what? The NFL is not public? The UFC is public, if you guys didn't know that, if you guys want to invest in UFC. But yeah, the NFL is not public. I'm also excited for football. Although, you know, I am a Jets fan, so, clown on me. Stuck with this, you know, these bum-ass teams in New York. We got the Giants, ass. Jets, ass. Knicks, ass. Nets, kinda ass. Yankees and the Mets are good. Yankees are sucking recently, but Yankees and Mets are good. Got the Rangers. I'm not into hockey, but we got the Rangers. They're pretty good. But yeah, I like basketball and football mostly. And yeah, Knicks, Nets, Jets, Giants, ass. So, I need something to cheer for. But I am excited for NFL, yes. Oh, yikes, the Jets? Yeah, I know, right? Clown on me. Gotta wear a paper bag on top of my head. I'm not proud of that. But the Giants aren't much better. So you gotta cheer for something. I do like tailgating, though. That is really fun. 30 likes tie. That's awesome. Oh, thank you guys for that. I will say, though, it may not actually be 30, because last time we got 34. And then it turned out it was a lot of botting. A lot of bots hit the like button. So it was at 34, and it came out to like 21 at the end. So I hope the 30 likes stays. Thank you guys for that, by the way. But hopefully they're all legit and not by bots. But yes, thank you guys for the great show today. This is one of the better shows for sure. Unless she's sugar mama for him. You know what? I've never considered having a sugar mama. But if she's hot, I may try. I don't know. Too good to be true, though. Where can I find a rich woman that's good looking? Late is good. We haven't chat for a long time. Yeah, that's true. We haven't had a show this long for a long time. So I enjoy kicking it with you guys. I just didn't plan on staying this long, but yes, for sure. This was a great show. Hope you guys enjoyed. If Mr. Wong doesn't want, I will take it. All right, dude, you can have it. Jets quarterback got injured. Yeah, Zach Wilson. So he's out for like 2 to 4 weeks. Kind of sucks. But he'll be all right. It's not that bad. And he looks pretty good. You know, he has a bright future. Way better than Darnold. How's Mr. Brady doing? I mean, I'm assuming he's doing good, you know. Tom Brady's doing fine. He's doing just fine in life. Super hot wife. Beautiful family. Rich. You know, the GOAT. And he's still playing. And after he retires, he has an executive job lined, or I think he has a job at Fox lined up as a commentator. So, yeah, if I was Brady, you know, I would just be loving life. So, I'm not sure how he's doing, but I'm assuming he's doing just fine. Jayhawks. You like Kansas? Well, I did graduate from Syracuse University, so I'm an Orange fan. Go Orange. Although, you know, Syracuse has not been relevant for a long time in the NCAA. But yeah. You go to Kansas? Beelzebub? Why do you say Jayhawks for? You a Jet fan, you be forever, no NFL championship. Well, hopefully, you know, we'll get one by the time I get deleted. That'd be nice. I like the Giants too. I'm more of a Jets fan, but I have seen the Giants win 2 championships, which was total BS. But I'll take it against Brady. Yeah, if it wasn't for the Giants, Brady would have what, 9 rings now, 8 rings, something like that. Jets will win Super Bowl when Bitcoin hit 100K. probably $1 million, not 100K. I can go on my alt accounts and bring it up a little. Haha. If you want, dude, you don't have to, but appreciate that. Bot doesn't count? No, bot doesn't count. YouTube knows who's botting, and they'll delete the likes. And the views. Chinatown. What about Chinatown? Brady for president? I don't know if we need more celebrities running for president. I think, well, I think that's a bad idea. But it is a normal thing now. Celebrities running for public office. So, yeah, The Rock might be president. I don't think Brady has any interest, though. I was born in Kansas. I'm going to Texas Tech, but Rock Chalk Jayhawk. All right, nice, dude. Texas Tech is pretty good at sports, too. So you got something to cheer about. Who just won the last championship? Was it North Carolina? Or was it Kansas? I think it was North Carolina, right? Can't remember. Anyway, guys. So, yes, that is the show for today. So, really, really long show. Almost 3 hours here. 2 hours, 48 minutes. I said hour and a half to 2 hours. We ended up going almost 3 hours. So, you know, never fails. Quite typical. But I don't mind because this was a great show. A lot of people here chatting. A lot of regulars, a lot of old people. Or a lot of regulars, a lot of new people. So, yeah, I definitely enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed. Not much content, but we spent quite a bit of time here just chatting and chilling. But yeah, great show. Thank you guys for that. So anything else, guys, before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at? Put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we out of here. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. You can watch 8-minute video tomorrow. Yeah, sure. We'll do it tomorrow. APR next MOS? Yeah, people have been saying that. I hope so. Kim Kardashian for president? Yeah, please no. Please no. And Kanye, please no. The Jayhawks won. All right, yeah, they did win. They did win. I think they were down, right? But then they came back in the second half. I was watching it. Clemson? Clemson's good for football. My aunt is back anyway. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, dude, have fun. Now you got us all curious what she looks like. I think you're trolling, though. But that's pretty funny, dude. All right, guys. So I think that's it. No one's saying anything. If you have something to say it right now. Otherwise, we out of here. Got a good, 10 seconds to say something while I blow my nose. And we out of here. All right, I think that's it. So let me just double check YouTube real quick. But yeah, thanks for the show, guys. Great show. 33 likes. Wow. Wow. So hopefully that holds up. Hopefully it's it's legit and not bots. We'll see though. But thank you guys for the great show. And yeah, that's it. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, let's get out of here. Ugh. Lagging a little bit, but whatever. I'll just redo it later. Cool, let's get out of here, guys. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Oh wait, shades. Duh, my bad. One more time. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.